Okay, I think yeah, it was recording the course.
Okay.
Okay, for every course, I think I will share you I will share you the content at the end of the module, at the end of modules, and at the end of the course through some cloud platform. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we are good to start. So introduction to Python. So nowadays, Python is gonna be very popular programming language. You're gonna hear this Python at anywhere, everywhere, and mainly on big data, machine learning, Python, and artificial intelligence. So it was introduced by Guido van Rossum at 1990 at Netherlands in 1991. Okay. So it is going to be very general purpose programming and high level programming. That is, do you know about assembly language, machine learning language, and high level programming languages? Are you aware of this?
Uh, not really.
Okay, it's perfect. So high level programming language itself, you can write the code in like normal alphabets like A, B, C, D, like that with these combinations. So assembly languages in assembly language, it's like writing. It is mainly for ECE courses. You know about electronics and communications. So at
Yes.
there, they're gonna write these they know about the semiconductors, assemblers, and all these things, all these. So all these chip level building and chip level programming language are gonna write in assembly language. The machine language level languages like zeros and ones. Uh, you know about how machine gonna interpret in each and every code, right? It is
Yes.
like it know only zeros and ones. It doesn't know about these alphabets and everything. Basically, for our Python, we have an interpreter. So this interpreter will convert this whatever you write some program, right? So whenever you give this program to interpreter, it will convert this interpret high level programming languages into machine learning programming language. It will directly talk with machine and do our use case accordingly. Okay, so coming to dynamic nature of this Python. So this Python programming is, it is going to be very dynamic nature. Compared to C and Python, if do you know about C or Java? Have you ever went through this? Did you cover this in your undergraduate?
No, I don't think I have that.
Okay, I think if you go to the C is like a very hard language. Yeah, if you go to C and come to Python after learning C, it is like very piece of cake. So for example, let me see this for this dynamic nature. We don't need to define any kind of data types, but we don't need to define any kind of data types in Python. It is like total dynamic. Let me go to Chrome. So let me see a small program like Hello World. You know about Hello World, right? It is like we usually
Yes.
write Hello World for beginning of every program. Hello World program. Let's see. If you see here, they have written nearly 5 lines of code around. Okay.
Hmm.
This is just to print hello world. So in terms of Python, if you want to write hello world program, it is just like you know uh, okay, let me open compiler. I'm very familiar about using this GDB compiler. I usually on write my dynamic programs on GDB compiler. So if you want to write hello world, it is just like print of hello world. It is that simple as it is. So for learners, it is like very easy to learn. You can learn this course and you can learn these concepts very easily. It is that much understandable. Okay,
Okay.
very easy, just one line. This is C, one, two, three,
Yes.
four. Very simple. This code, writing this code length and everything is very short in Python. You can learn very easily. So coming to the dynamic nature, as I said, if you see here in Python, they have okay, let me see one even an odd program. Do you know about these data types and the data types and assigning the data types and everything?
I think some of them.
Okay, that's fine. C code to print even or order. So in C, we need to declare each and every variable we are gonna use in every program. So if you see here, we are gonna use number data type. Sorry, integer data type with name number. So before we are gonna use this number, we have to declare our variable, whether it is integer, float, or it is string or something else. Without defining, we could not write this program in C. So when it comes to Python, we don't need to define anything. It will randomly understand whatever we are gonna uh, use in as a data type. If you see this one, GDB compiler. So I'm gonna take one variable A. It is gonna be 2. If you say print of A, it is gonna print 2. So when it comes to C, we need to define each and every variable we need to use. Let's say we are using A equals to 2. C, 2 is integer here, right? So we need to define int A equals to 2. So when it comes to Python, we don't to define anything. If we are using in case of C, if we are using strings, we need to define as characters. We need to define strings as like that. So when it comes to Python, we don't to define anything. We just need to say previously the same variable worked as integer. Now its same variable is gonna work as a string too. Suppose your name is Nick. So if I give Nick, it is gonna give me. Uh, Let me see. Is there some indentation error? Yeah, see here.
Mm.
It is printed. So basically what I'm trying to say is we no need to define any kind of data type in Python. It will automatically understand whatever we are gonna assign in the program, and it will interpret the code accordingly. You understand my point, right?
Yes.
And until here, anything any questions?
No,
This
no.
dynamic nature, this simplicity.
Yeah, I'm good here.
Yeah, good here, right? That's perfect. So why to learn Python? As I said earlier, it is very easy to learn. Anyone can learn within just 2 or 3 weeks. It totally depends upon how consistent we are, and how much we are gonna do exercise. This Python program totally comes with practice only. Without practice, we can't be proficient in Python. That's what I can say. Because in initial days also, I have learned so many concepts, but without applying that concept in somewhere in problem solving, you could not be a pro in the Python programming. Okay, understand? You understand?
I understand.
Yeah. That is very simple as it is. And platform independent. So platform independent in the sense, if you write this program in Python, you can this program can run in on any platforms like Windows, like Mac. You can deploy and run your applications at anywhere. That about this platform independency. Coming to free and open source. So you no need to pay any kind of fee to use this software, and we have it's like open source. There is some open source community, and you can if you have any questions, if you come up with any new modifications, you can directly contact them, and you can do whatever you want in open source software. You know about Linux, right? Linux is also like open source community. We don't need to pay any fee to install and use it. When it comes to Microsoft Windows, you have to buy the license, right? Now
Right.
I hope you understand this open source uh, and paid softwares.
Yes, I understand.
Yeah, Python is totally free. You don't need to pay any fee. It is very simple. So coming to execution, it executes line by line. So if you have any question, if you have any mistakes in some line, it will easily recognize the error and it will let you know. When it comes to this one, C or any other procedure oriented programming, so you need to the execution starts from main, everywhere from main. When it comes to Python, it executes the codes line by line. That is what this line by line execution. Coming to library support, it has lot of libraries. You just for applications, we have around past. This has very vast library supports with 1500 plus packages like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib and everything. We have so many machine learning supported the libraries, some AI supported libraries, IoT supported libraries, and all these are present in this Python. Coming to this robust memory management, Python itself comes with very robust memory management. It can handle it can handle any kind of code in very with very less bytes. It doesn't occupy more space, and it will learn this sorry it will execute this code in very shorter memory. That is what about robust memory management. Until here, any questions?
No.
You go right. So you can ask me at any point of time if you have any questions. Okay,
Okay. Yes, sir.
that's about then coming to use case. We can use this Python programming in web apps development. I think as you already aware, uh, we are gonna use this Python in server-side programming languages and data science and ETL and these kind of things. Okay.
Okay.
You can use this Python programming in graphical user interface development, like you can assemble your code in any kind of scripting languages. Along with that, we can use in image processing, machine learning, data visualization, artificial intelligence. These three topics are main use cases for Python. Machine learning, data visualization. Actually, these made Python made this machine learning data visualization very simple with its vast amount of packages. Okay, so we are gonna use this Python in games, IoTs like Internet of Things, database developments, and ETL handling, data warehousing, everything. Okay, nowadays, Python is like hotcake. Any questions?
No. No, sir.
Good. Okay. Do you have Python software in your machine?
Yes, I have the Jupyter notebook installed.
Okay. Okay, that's perfect. So I actually I plan to install this Python, normal Python. Usually how they do, let me see. And let me show you. If you wanna install Python from Chrome, or you can directly go to any Chrome, and just if you search with Python download, this
Okay.
Jupyter notebook, this Anaconda, and all these are like fancy. This is like standard. This is how the standard programs gonna write in the Python software. If you go to python.org, you can download it here. If you run this exe file, you can directly run on you can directly install this Python. It is as simple as it is. So as I had already installed this Python, let me go to this Python software ideally. So this is how this generic ideally looks like for Python.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you wanna write any program, you have to go to this new file and create a file with .py extension. So all Python files ends with .py extension. So as I mentioned in PPT, if you I wanna run my first program. So I just want to write print of hello world. So after writing this code, you have to save your file. I'm gonna save my file on desktop with some name hello world
Mhm.
with py extension hello world.py. You have to
Okay.
write it as .py and you just save it. So when it's saved, you, you have to run this with F5 run module. This is how simple program looks like in Python. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So coming to our next topic. As I totally focused on this problem solving, we are gonna do some hands-on exercises along with this teaching module too. Okay, setting up environment is done, introduction part is done. So coming to variables. Mm, 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 mm. So we have next slide about print function, variables, operators, and string. So let's we cover at least until print today. And tomorrow we can discuss these variables, operators, and strings. And we do some hands-on exercise on prints too, because it is like basic printing some variable. Uh, whatever we are gonna printing result is very kind of very basic in the programming languages. I think you know, right?
Right.
Yeah, that is about this print function use case. So outline is about print, variables, operators, and string for this slide. Okay. Okay, let me discuss this print function. Print is basically like to show something in output console.
Mm.
Are you aware of using this GDB compiler?
Uh, I haven't, not really. I didn't notice.
This is like online compiler. Basically, if you wanna write any kind of program, in any kind of program, you need to save it and you need to run it again. As I shown you as I showed you in this console. Okay, so if
Okay.
this is like Notepad plus plus, you can write whatever you program in runtime and you can run it and it is okay if you even not save it. Okay, I'm very familiar about this GDB compiler because I'm not much interested about saving these files whatever I show, and that's about this GDB compiler. If you want to print something, you can write hello Nick like that. We do have some this print. This is like print function takes this some kind of inputs in form of strings or number, and it displays the output to console. So so let's say if you wanna print hello, and you need to print Nick in second line. Okay, in that case, you need to use this backslash and operator. You know about line separator? Sorry,
Huh? I didn't say anything.
sorry, I can't get you.
Oh, no, I didn't say anything. I didn't.
Can you come again?
Sorry, I can't. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm able to hear you. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So what I'm trying to say is I'm talking about these line separators, tab separators, and everything about this printing and formatting this print. Okay. So let's say if I give this print Nick, hello Nick, it will directly give this hello and Nick in single line. Okay. So
Okay.
in my second requirement, it is not like hello Nick. I just want to print hello in first line, Nick in second line. So basically for these requirements, you can write this program in two types. First one is writing two prints, hello like that, and second line Nick in second line. If you write like this, uh, you will get this hello in first line and Nick in second line. So your requirement is like printing this hello in second, hello in first line, say Nick in second line, right? So same program I can write in another format like this with line separator \n. So it is gone, right? It is completed, right? So we don't need to write two, we need to define two functions with print. Now same output with single print. Any questions until here?
No, sir.
Okay, right. That's perfect. So you learned about this \n. So our second requirement is so let's say you have some kind of string with \n. Mm, mm, mm. So let's say you want to write to \n. Okay, so let's say this is you want to print two \n. So in this case, if you print this one, you can see only two, but you wanna print you wanna see n also. So in that case, you have to define double slash. In that case, it will consider, oh, this is not a \n operator. This is kind of combination of string. It is not \n operator. Then it will show you \n in your console. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Same like tab operator, that is \t. Yeah, this is what \t. This is for tab. This is \n. This is for new line. Good. Okay, now this one is completed. Now let's see about this tab operator \t. \t is just about giving some tab. Whenever you write whenever you are printing something in Word, you if you enter tab, it will give some spaces, right?
Right.
Yeah, that is exactly this \t works in Python 2.
Okay.
Okay, now you can see here, right? Two some spaces around 5 to 6 spaces and R. It is just about giving some spaces. This is about \n, this is about \t, and Nick and \n junior. This is \t \n in single screen. You understand this difference, right?
Yeah, I see.
This output to some spaces and R for \t, and \n is to give the output in second, print the output in second line. Okay, so let's say
Okay.
in second case you have some kind of printing string with which has this \t. So in that case, you have to give this again like with double slash, to /t. double slash T and or. Now see here, backslash T is in just single without any space. You understand the difference between doubles backslash and single backslash, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Same about print of Nick double slash and junior. Now, whatever we learned until now, all this in single script. Just understand the difference. Just see the output and understand the difference. Backslash T is just at line number 1, it was giving some 6 spaces. So in second case, if you have this some kind of string with backslash. So in that case, you have given double backslash. In third line, you have some kind of output requirement, like you need to print Nick in first line and Junior in second line. In that case, you have given that just backslash n. So in second case, with same backslash n, you have some kind of input string which has backslash n in string itself. So in that case, you have given double backslash. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Any questions until here?
Mm, No, sir.
Oh, feel free to ask me questions if you have at any point of time. It is okay even in between the classes, because you and me are only the participants here, and no one is here. And it is totally all right to ask me questions if you have any.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, that is about print. I think we pretty much covered this introduction part, and we learned about print function today. So tomorrow, it is about exercise, right? We have to do some exercise tomorrow on print function. So before that, I will give you that questions for print function exercise. Yeah, all this. So we can cover all these questions in tomorrow class. Okay, printing your first name and last name, printing some age, printing some measure, all this. I just want you to be familiar with this print function. It is like basic in Python.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so we are running out of time. So this is all about today, and tomorrow we'll do some hands-on exercise on print function, and we'll cover these variables, declaring the variables, this one, variables operators in Python, and we'll go with some advanced part, that is string 2. Okay,
Okay.
that's all about today's session. Let me know if you have any questions.
I do not. I think it's all good so far.
Okay, that's perfect. Okay, we'll see you in next class. Have a good day, Nick.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Shadid. Have a good day.
Bye.
Hey, bye.